What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be installing an oil catch can on the C63. Now, in order to do this, you're going to need a handful of fittings and the catch can, obviously, and the hose. If you are looking to purchase any of these, I will put all the links down in the description below so you can pick them up. There are kits you can get, but they are outrageously expensive, so I decided to go this route. So I got all the fittings here. These two fittings are the ones that are going to attach to the intake manifold. This one will go to the manifold, and this one will go to the PCV valve. And this little, what looks like a little foot, it's going to attach like that and go onto the manifold with a bolt going through. So that's done. So after 5 days of the car being apart, I finally got it back together. The catch can is installed. I had some trouble with hooking it up to the PCV valve, but apparently you can turn the PCV valve a little bit and try to like get it out of the way so you can route the hose around into the front. In order to attach the catch can, I did drill into this little metal frame right here. Not a huge deal. I mean, it's barely visible, but if you're looking for it, you're gonna know it's there. And I also had a cut out little notch on each side of this rubber piece. Decided to run to the local hardware store, and I picked up some hose clamps for the ends right here because I want to make sure that these hoses do not pop off. So I went ahead and I did that, and I also picked up these nuts and bolts from the hardware store as well. Very cheap. It was probably like $10-ish for all of that. But yeah, overall, I did think that I was gonna have this job done quicker. I ended up needing to get more parts, and I kind of ordered that throttle body plate last minute, so that I had to wait for that to come in. That came in on I think Tuesday, probably like 2 weeks in advance, but mid this week I had the car basically put back together, and all I had to do was put the catch can on. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about with that throttle body plate, those are known to corrode, so I did go ahead and replace that. If you do want to watch that, I will put part 1 and part 2 in the description below. But yeah, that will do it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure you do smash that like button, especially if you do want to see some more C63 videos. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do and hit that post notification bell so you never miss one of our videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video.